Hey, we're back. This is Tina and Michelle from Florist Resupply. Tina is going to show you how she made her some decorations for our Green Monster themed Christmas tree.
Alright, and in the other video I showed you, I made these. I'm going to show you how to make them, and then we added some ribbons to it. So I'm going to show you how to make these, and Jody sells these Chanel stems. He sells red and white, and I just mix them together. I'll show you, it's not hard at all. I just wind it around. I don't think there's any wrong way to do it, as long as you
That was smart, though. I love that idea.
And white. And I know I've seen on Amazon and stuff. I mean, you can buy them already together, but I mean, it takes 5 seconds.
Yeah, exactly.
To do it, but I used 3, and I'll show you. I used a wooden pick. You can. I'll show you here in a minute. You can just use a wire if you want. But if you want it on a pick to stick in something else, or you can stick it on the tree, you can put it in an arrangement, whatever you'd like to do. But I just wind it around a little bit further down. And then I took the next one, and you can split it like that, or just wind it around however you want to get it on there. And just twist your wire, just twist it on there. And then the third one. Just wind it around there. And then I'm going to take some stem tape. If you're not familiar with stem tape, when you pull it, is when it's sticky. And I just put it up the top, and I come all the way down, and then it breaks, it's okay. You just put it on there, and I come all the way back up, and I even went in like this, just to make sure it's good and secure on there, and then I come all the way down. And then I just use my finger and twirl it around. How easy and simple is that?
Cute.
It's a cute little.
Yes, I like it.
And I'll show you. And you could just do I take this wire with the stem tape, but you can just use regular florist wire or whatever you have. If you have like a wooden pick, or
A piece of stem, even a plastic stem from a...
stem, whatever that you have, is completely fine.
Because it's going to be hidden in the tree. Nobody's going to see it.
Yeah. But I just folded the wire over, and I'm just doing the same thing, just tying it on here. You don't have to be real particular about it, because you're going to cover it with that stem tape. And just twist and pull, twist and pull. So if it breaks, it's okay. Twist and pull. So I go through the center, just make sure it's secure. Twirl it around. just like that.
Cute.
All right, and we have our ribbons like that we used on the tree. So these are, we've got 12-inch pieces of ribbon, and I always, you can put it together like that and dovetail it at the same time. A lot of times what I do, or you can just do one side at a time.
Depends on how good your scissors are.
Yeah. Let's just layer them, bunch it up together, and then if you want to put it on the back, you can. Just bunch it in the center, and a wire on it. I'll put it on this one with the wire. Just put it right in the center. And I'm just gonna wrap it right around. And just secure it tight. I'm just wrapping it around there. And then to finish it off, to make it look nice, I'm just gonna in there, and then just pull your ribbons out.
Very simple.
Very simple, simple, simple. Anybody can do that. If you can cut ribbon, you can do that.
Yeah, it looks like a little flower. Look at that.
Yep. We're gonna put these all in the tree. Stuff it right in there.
Cute. So for each little tuft, she used 6 pipe cleaners and just 12 inches of all 3 of the different ribbons that she put in the tree topper. And some wire, and wired them together.
Stuff them in the tree.
Cute.
And I was gonna tell you, you know, we've got all different shades of green, and I love that because I mean, a lot of people are like, well, I can't use this color green if I'm using lime green or whatever, but you know, you're gonna put all different kinds of things in there to bring out all those different shades and colors that I think is really pretty. All right.
I'm going to zoom in on the... Where she put the decoration. And it's just tucked in the tree. So you don't even see your mechanics. Cute. And we'll be back with another video to show you some more ornaments that we're making for the tree.